Um, I've always looked at cinema as, for me, cinema is like love. Like there's no language, I think films can be made in whatever language, but I can sit in a theater or watch it on television and understand every emotion that a film is trying to convey. And love is exactly like that. There's no language. You feel it, you express it in whatever form, and you still feel it. And I think cinema has the power to bring the world together, and cinema has the power to bring people together. So thank you for recognizing that, and looking forward to a wonderful association going forward as well. Thank you.
Last 7 years, and this is icing on the cake. You all have been great hosts, great food, great location, great infrastructure, and then this award. Thank you, thank you.
Hello. I'm not so sure that I am fully grown up. I think Jackie Dada and I are still in the process of growing up. But in the little bit of growing up that I have managed to do, the rock star that I have most been influenced by and admired, it's our privilege that he's present over here actually, and I've had the privilege of working with him as well, and you shall see him soon on stage. His name is A.R. Rahman. And for all the compliments that you were showering upon me about introducing rock music, etc., I think he's the one to blame, and I thank him for that. And also to say that it was a huge pleasure to shoot in Italy. It's a pleasure to go there at any point of time. And I remember we had landed up.
Thank you, Imtiaz, for those very, very kind words. I don't know whether I deserve all that. The reason why they gave me this is for shooting my first VR movie in Rome. The reason why I went to Rome is because I didn't want to get intimidated in India shooting my first movie. So I wanted to escape to some place where it's very picturesque and people are warm. And anywhere you keep the 360 camera, it's beautiful. So I didn't have much production work on that. It's an easy job, and
much happening right now. Of course, it is the time for celebration, and you know, even again today, I think this is what it's awards like these that remind me why I am in this business of making films, because cinema is such a powerful medium. It spreads love, it brings people together, and I think awards like these really sort of reinstate that. As far as my film is concerned, you know, I had said this, there's no stopping it. I think it deserves all the kind of love and the blessings that we're receiving. I think the box office numbers are really, again, a testament of that. And it's not over, you know.
What do you say about Ranveer also as Khilji?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think, you know, I've said this earlier as well. I think for me, Ranveer's contribution in the film, as well as Shahid's contribution in the film, is something that I will always cherish, because I think it was very gracious of them. I think it was very big-hearted of them to give so much to this film. And I'm so happy that together we get to celebrate the success. But like I said, you know, it's not over. It's I think this weekend is going to be exciting as well. I don't think I have anything to say about.
He's working actually in Gully Boys. He's working as a on Valentine Day. What's your plan actually? Have you थोड़ा time निकाले actually Yeah, Deepika, Valentine. How are you?
Next 10 minutes. I don't know. Soon, I think. You know, I think it's important for any location to be to fit into a film correctly. I don't think you can force a location, but I think I've had the privilege of working in some stunning locations in Italy, and yeah, as far as I don't know, Valentine's Day is concerned, I don't, and Chocolate Day, मेरा दोस्त कहाँ गया? He's not here today. I think it's you know, I think every day should be celebrated. Yeah, I think every day should be celebrated. How am I celebrating?
1 minute. Let her.
I'm going to be, I think, prepping for my next film. I think that's what I'm going to be doing. Thank you.
कोई भी कंट्री जब आपको सम्मानित करती है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेरा सौभाग्य रहा है कि मैंने इटली में शूट किया है. इटली बहुत सुंदर जगह है. वो लोग दुनिया में जाने जाते हैं अपने आर्ट के लिए. उन लोगों की तरफ से सराहना आती है तो बहुत खुशी की बात होती है. और मुझे बहुत खुशी ये भी है कि मैंने वहाँ शूट किया, वहाँ के लोगों के साथ काम किया, नई चीज़ें सीखी, और फिर उम्मीद भी है कि मैं वापस जाऊँगा, उनके साथ शूट करूँगा फिर से.
नेक्स्ट इटली में हम आपका कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट देखेंगे, कौन सी फिल्में आपकी देखेंगे?
अभी तो एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं है कि अगली फिल्म मैं कब वहाँ शूट करूँगा या क्या करूँगा, बट उम्मीद है जिस तरह से वो लोग भी अपनी तरफ से हाथ बढ़ा रहे हैं कि हम कुछ कर पाएँ. Italy is the most beautiful architecture that I've seen in my life. The painting and architecture, art is very, very high, and it's a part of normal life. You feel like an artist when you're in Italy. You feel inspired to do better in terms of art in your own work, wherever you do it in the world. It's a very, very inspiring country, and it's great people, warm, great food. And it's a pleasure to go to Italy at any point of time. See, the thing is that many Western countries, people tend to be a little formal, but Italians are very warm. It's very easy to talk to them and work with them, and that's, I think, making it always easier for us to collaborate.
इम्तियाज सर, आपकी अभी नेक्स्ट फिल्म में आने वाली है शाहिद के साथ, अगर कुछ बताना चाहिए.
Actually,
एक्साइटेड हैं कोलैबोरेशन?
नहीं, क्या है कि अभी कुछ किसी भी फिल्म के बारे में ना, अभी कुछ डिसाइड होता है तभी हम बता सकते हैं. अभी कुछ भी डिसाइडेड नहीं है.
आप दोनों साथ में नजर आएंगे ही आएंगे?
हम दोनों तो साथ में कभी भी नजर आ जाएंगे मैम. आप बुलाओगे इधर खड़े हो जाएंगे आपके लिए, बट किस तरह से काम करेंगे, कब करेंगे, और वो अभी कुछ फैसला हुआ नहीं है.
ये जो आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है, you're working with Shahid, you work with Deepika, both of them, they are just there's a constant tussle that's going on with all three of the Padmavat actors. What are your comments? Because you worked with Deepika and with Shahid.
What is the tussle? I don't know.
Where Shahid is kept on saying that he felt alienated during the thing, and there was also
यार
discussion.
एक्चुअली मैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा मीडिया फिल्म मीडिया पढ़ता नहीं हूँ, तो आई एम एट अ प्लेस लाइक दिस अ लिटिल
You've
स्टूपिफाइड.
known both of them.
Yeah, I have known, but I don't know what they are talking about, so I can't really comment. So.
रोमांस की काफी डीप नॉलेज रखते हो.
ऐसा आपको लगता है? देखो हाँ, मैं जब छोटा था और जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था तो वैलेंटाइंस डे नाम की कोई चीज़ थी नहीं. तो अब सब लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हैं वैलेंटाइंस डे में, और कोई भी दिन बहुत अच्छा होता है यार, कब सब लोग खुश हो रहे हैं तो मैं भी हो जाता हूँ. मुझे नहीं पता ज़्यादा वैलेंटाइंस डे के बारे में यार, सॉरी.
चॉकलेट डे है तो
यार
चॉकलेट
क्या
खाना
बात
पसंद
कर रहे
है?
यार.
कितना चॉकलेट खाना और खिलाना पसंद, आप कुछ बताइए. मैं कैसे
मुझे चॉकलेट बहुत पसंद है, मगर ज़्यादा आजकल खा नहीं पाता हूँ, मिलता नहीं है कोई अच्छा चॉकलेट एक्चुअली.
इम्तियाज सर, लाइक यू सेड कि आपको ज़्यादा तो नहीं पता वैलेंटाइंस डे के बारे में, लेकिन क्या कभी स्कूल में कोई किस्सा हुआ है?
मेरे स्कूल में वैलेंटाइंस डे नहीं होता था यार, मैं मतलब उस उम्र का नहीं हूँ. वैलेंटाइंस डे, थैंक यू.
Just one last question. Sanjay Leela Bhansali has been saying that Shahid and Deepika has to come together. Well, will you ever make that casting to happen, or do you want to leave that to
नहीं यार, I don't know
Sanjay?
what Sanjay ji has said.
He's been recommending people to bring them.
Oh, I'm
together.
sure. For me, it depends on the story. For any director, I think it depends on the story which demands certain actors, and that's how we look at filmmaking, not in terms of what's a good pair and what people are saying. Not like that. Thank you.
Thank you.